Where is my smartphone? Hey Daniela, where is my smartphone? You don't see anything. Nothing you feel do. Yeah, say thing. Go and look for my smartphone. Let's see. This man I will say, Keke, I mean that smartphone make I call this man. No food for her to do. Me, I don't. The money was about to cook. I don't use to buy my Brazilian hair. All my meat get Brazilian hair. I don't get. Even Indian hair now, I never buy. I don't use that. I don't waste that, Papa. So I'm coming. Let me finish with this. So I will come and. Oh. Daniela, go and bring my phone. This, go and bring this small Nokia. The Nokia. I don't know where I kept it. To just find it. I want to call this man. May you don't go the hope say if you can't go see food for us, so because no food for us today. Because even the money when it drop, you not reach anything. I don't use to complete that money. Give that woman when I follow buy Brazilian hair. I never get Brazilian hair, we won't eat. Now food with the talk. All my meat, all of them get Brazilian hair. Even Indian hair, all of them they get Brazilian hair, get Indian hair. I know which one me get. This one I hair. See the one when I carry. Don't they spend 3 months. All my mates 2 weeks, 1 month. Now they change their hair. Now let me they carry hair for this village for 8 months. You they look people. If you see people when you find for outside, you they look them. You know if you say make it take care of me, well make I still look beautiful. I don't know concern me. The money when you give me, I don't use and buy Brazilian hair. This one say the Brazilian hair we even use now self. What is it? Did I marry you to come and suffer? You want to use suffer kill me? They say that's so I be when you see me. If I marry me, that time when you see me, I dey buy Brazilian hair or everything I dey get them. No, nothing. I need Brazilian hair, you no go buy for me. I need Indian hair, you no go buy for me. Even human hair. Human hair, see human hair when I get. It don't hold. I need to change them. This Christmas now, if you not buy human hair for me, we no go eat o. Any money wey just drop for me now for this Christmas. If you not give me human hair money, I will use the Christmas money to buy my human hair. Because I don't feel they go meeting all my mates will carry human hair. I will they carry all those whether na Chinese hair. This one self na Nigeria hair be this. Even get the small one, that one when they take the touch here. When they take the touch here, you come like see the red. I don't get that one. I don't say that I won't buy. The one when they take the touch here. They will call it a touch here, you come back see the here the red. I don't get all my mates they get them. You never see anything. You won't kill me for this house. You won't kill my skin. My skin when they shine, when you see me, The time when you see me, all my skin they shine. See me now, I be like charcoal. I beg, stay. All my meat. I don't know if this is okay for me or make I try the. Naila, give me the human hair. Give me that human hair. Let me try that human hair. Because this place we are going today, I need to look good. Oh. Give me the human hair. I need to look good today because I know see all my mates and all of them, they will look good. Give me the human hair. Daniela, give me this human hair. Give me. Look at it here. Give me. Let me try if give me the human hair. Give me. I even know safe. No, this one will fit. This, give me the human hair. This one. Why you know the hair word? Eh? If not to eat now, you will eat food. Only how to eat. Now you sabi. Eat. No thing when you know. Give me human hair. You don't know human hair. Your papa said now that one ain't was past. That one your day. It's all the name of say they Europe. You don't even know whether you they survive. Or you make go the boast now say they get picking. You see the boast say I get picking. You know say they don't say now me they feed the picking for them. Bring money for food, oh no. Bring money for your school fees, no. So if you want me, they call they look my yash. They give me the human hair. Let me know if. Hey. Let me check if. Cause me now I need to. Oh boy. See the human hair when I get this one. That is 6 months. You know say go change that for me. Oh. Because they say nobody will eat for this house or to buy my human hair. No food. Hey, go make corner. No food or to buy my human hair. No food. Nobody will eat. Nobody will eat. Oh. My human hair. If you don't buy my human hair, nobody will eat. That money I don't use to buy this one. Maybe this one I will do on next week. What do you concern me? Hey, husband, call husband. I come marry, make I you suffer kill myself. Hey, husband. They will say people value human hair past husband. I value my human hair past my husband though. What it be human hair? My mate will wear human hair, I can't see.